Oftentimes we take some of the simplest things for granted. We flip on a light switch, turn on the tap, take comfort with our gas furnace, flush the toilet, go to the grocery store, never thinking about what goes on behind the scenes to make it all possible. Working behind the scenes comes naturally to some companies. However, there are things about one company in particular that should not remain hidden. The all-important business question is, what makes a company stand out as the best at what they do? Why do some companies come and go, while others remain steadfast through the years, continuing to grow and improve? Most importantly, how can you make sure the company you are counting on for your sewer, water line, drain excavating, and gas line project is the one that you can depend on? Hello, I'm Phil Reeson, and our story today takes us to Brigham City, Utah, the home office of Whitaker Construction. There is much excitement here as we celebrate Whitaker Construction's 50th anniversary. Over the next few minutes, we intend to answer these important business questions for you and help you to know and understand the things that have made the award-winning Whitaker Construction the best at what they do for the last 50 years. It was 1953 when Jim Whitaker and his wife Nedra started the business with a 1920 Badger backhoe to dig a 6-inch water line for Corinne City.
I've worked in this business since probably 9 years old with my father, who is James Whitaker. My dad had the vision. They come out and introduced, we used to run cable backhoes. They come out with a hydraulic excavator, and it was called a Hydra unit. And my dad had enough foresight to buy one of the first ones that came into the state. What you can do with a hydraulic excavator over a cable excavator has just been extraordinary. I mean, there is no such thing as a cable excavator anymore. Through his process of raising not only his family, but business-wise, employee-wise, he has always given a square deal for a fair price. That is a legacy that's brought us for the last 50 years, and one that will continue to bring us through the next 50 years.
A square deal at a fair price. This slogan is reinforced in the Whitaker logo, bringing Jim's original promise into the modern day. Utilizing the latest in technology has been carried forward by Jim's sons Bob, Dennis, and Rick. Since then, Whitaker Construction has led the industry in sewer, water, and drain systems, as well as site excavating and gas line installations.
We've been in the business for 50 years, and we've always been on the leading edge of technology.
We try to rotate our equipment so we have the newest equipment in the state, and we have the newest technology that comes out from equipment. We probably have more specialized equipment than any people in the state. With the technology that we can offer the customer, he's virtually unlimited as to what he can do with that project that we're working on for him.
Most people don't see our work because we bury it, but it is quality work.
We do work in Utah, Idaho, Nevada, and Wyoming. And our crews do it right, and they do it right the first time.
One of the biggest things for Whitaker Construction was the Olympics coming to Utah. We were fortunate enough to have our gas crews run the gas line that carried the gas to the Olympic cauldron.
Of all the many great projects Whitaker's been involved in the past 50 years, the largest is the $22 million, mile-and-a-half-long utility tunnel project through the heart of Utah State University.
We're proud of what we do. We take pride in our work.
I love this slogan.
Over, under,
around and through.
Whatever it takes, that's what we do.
Dedicated employees make all the difference, and one will rarely find a company that has the loyalty and enthusiasm of Whitaker's employees.
I'm Chuck Whitaker, Jim's younger brother. I started in 1953. It's just hard to believe we're still in business 50 years from now and got so much bigger.
I've been working for the company since 1957, and there's no other company I'd rather work for.
I've been with them for going on 42 years, and everything is for the customer.
This job, since I've been here, there's never been a day that I've come to work that I've hated coming to work. I always enjoy coming to work here.
What I like about working for Whitaker Construction, they've been real good to us, and it's been challenging over the years and kept us busy.
The reason I like working here is the flexibility that they offer the employees.
We feel that our employees are our success.
Whitaker Construction, this is Holly.
Our employees have a very strong commitment towards the product, and consistency is probably one of our stronger trademarks here at the company, is that we consistently deliver a good product.
Almost everyone has a story about a dishonest contractor. Finding a good, honest contractor is like finding a good doctor. Once you find one you trust, you'll never go anywhere else. Listen to what a few of Whitaker's customers have to say about their business. Whitaker Construction has been great to work with. They've understood goals and desires of what the state park as well as the park users wanted. Sometimes contractors make promises to the owner they can't or never intend to keep. Whitaker has always met or exceeded their promises during development of this fine park and facilities. I have truly enjoyed working with this fine company and their employees over the past 23 years. Eldon Robinson, Utah Division of Parks and Recreation. Let's hear what Lynn Hendricks, Utah State Department of Facilities and Construction Management, has to say. Whitaker Construction provided a quality team of contractors and engineers that effectively managed the very creative design and construction of the Bear Lake Campground project. Whitaker successfully performed utility and site work through the winter in difficult conditions and met the original deadline for the project. The legislative representative for that area and the DFCM management were very impressed with the quality of the finished product. I look forward to future projects with their company.
Whitaker Construction Company is very proud that we have a lot of repeat business and a lot of referrals to other people to do business.
We go the extra mile to satisfy our customers.
In order to maintain a business, you have to stay within your budgeted amounts, and we've done that for 50 years. We will continue to do that. Treat people fairly, and you get repeat business that way.
It has been said that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Well, that's certainly true in the utility excavating business. Whitaker has the most experience of anyone in the industry. Before a shovel full of dirt is removed from the ground, you can be assured that Whitaker Construction's preparation will provide a safe and profitable environment where integrity and quality workmanship exceed their customers' expectations.
Maintenance and safety, safeguards on equipment is paramount in the Whitaker business plan.
Whitakers have an impeccable safety record.
We focus on quality, not just production.
Every time I see the WC on a Whitaker truck, I feel proud and honored to be part of the company and help build it for this last 50 years.
Yes, it's been a good 50 years and I've been here for most of them.
Our 50 years in business is a testimony to the strength and character of every individual that works for this company.
I think it's really an accomplishment for three brothers to stay together and make this business grow. And we're right now developing to go into the next generation and teaching our younger generation the same quality that our father taught us.
Celebrating 50 years has just been one of the terrific things for Whitakers. It's just the greatest feeling in knowing that we can get there. We can do this. And that's what makes the future look so great.
Over the last 50 years, Whitaker Construction has grown from a hand shovel and pickup truck to a $25 million per year operation. But more importantly, through all of the growth and diversification, the Whitaker name still stands for a square deal at a fair price. So the next time you flip on a light switch, turn on the tap, take comfort with your gas furnace, flush the toilet, park at the mall or the grocery store, remember the people at Whitaker Construction who make life simple. I'm Phil Reeson. Thanks for watching.